busted. It's 2 damn o'clock in the morning. Where you been?
Baby, didn't you get my 2-way? I was with my girlfriend.
You a lie. I called Keisha and Tanya and they were both at home.
Wait, before you get all upset, here's the truth.
Talk to me.
I was with my girl when she got some bad news. Her man cheated, had her upset and confused. But I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, well, I got something for you. Tell me, what's her name?
Sharon.
Where does she live? The man's name?
Billy.
She got kids?
I think 1 or 2.
She got kids?
Baby, yes, no.
That's one thing I gotta know. How the hell is she your friend? If you don't know that she got kids, go upstairs, pack your bags. While you at it, call a cab. It's obvious you're playing around. Go upstairs and get your by the head.